Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the e-classes of Sufa English School. This is Shazia Khan, your subject teacher of SST. Today I will be teaching for Standard 6 of Geography. The first chapter is the Earth and the Graticule. See, this is the world map. They have shown the oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean. It's a world map. Now let me give you some introduction about the globe. Now a globe is a spherical module of the earth. It is spherical module of the earth map, and globe can show us how the earth can divide in the half different. This is half different. हाफ डिफरेंट आर कॉल्ड हेमिस्फीयर. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? हेमिस्फीयर. नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. दिस इज कॉल्ड हेमिस्फीयर. ग्लोब्स गिव्स अस एक्यूरेट पिक्चर ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस. हमें इस ग्लोब से पता चलता है, हम सिर्फ फिगर ग्लोब का जो लोकेशन उससे पता कर सकते हैं. डिवाइडिंग दिस इनटू 4 पार्ट. 29% of the earth's surface is land and 75% of the earth's surface is covered by water. Now let me tell you what is graticule. Graticule is a network of the lines representing meridians and parallel on which a map or a plan can be presented. Okay, now this is the earth size. This is the earth size. It is given in figure 1.2. Figure 1.2 shows the length of the east, west, north, south diameter of the earth. This will give you some idea about the size of the earth. Oceanic water, uneven nature of land, forest, innumerable islands of different size and buildings make it impossible to actually draw such line on the earth. In order to overcome this difficulty, geographer developed a miniature model of the earth in the form of a globe. This can be used to determine location on the earth. One can actually draw horizontal and vertical lines on the globe, though not on the earth, thus they are imaginary lines. Now to know the idea about the earth size, divided into 4 equal parts like east, west, north, south. Now this is the earth size divided into 4 equal part. This is north, south, east and west. These are the diameters. We cannot show on the earth like oceanic water or any nature of the land like forest product like land resources. ये हम चीज़ें हम अर्थ में नहीं दिखा सकते on a piece of a paper. The different size of the shape of a building and etc. that we cannot show these all things on the map, so make it easy. For understanding, the geographer has developed a miniature model of the earth in the form of globe. Now it is very useful to understand the location on the earth. These are the imaginary lines. These are the imaginary lines on the earth. ये imaginary lines है that I tell you in the further paragraph. This is the angular distance. They have drawn a diagram, angular distance diagram. The location of any place on the earth is determined with the reference to the center of the earth. Now, if you want to find any location on the earth, you have to determine with the reference to the center of the earth. मतलब जब भी आपको लोकेशन देखना है सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ से ही रेफर करना होगा. वी कंसिडर्ड a straight line joining the point on the surface and the center of the earth. This is the straight line joining the center of the earth. It makes an angle with the plane of the equator. The measure of this angle is used in determining the location. Now from here, if you take the center point, this is the center point of the earth. From here you can just actually check the location of the earth wherever location you want to check. For example, 1.3, the major angle of x XMV is 30 degree. That is the angular distance from the equator is 30 degree. Look at the figure and tell the angular distance of y from the equator. It is enough for today. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.